What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So a couple days ago I went to Walmart and I was in the gardening section just cruising around, and I saw that they had all of their spring bulbing flowers out. So I picked up lots for cut flowers, and then I picked up some that are not specifically cut flowers, but I saw that they were either deer resistant and they said they would look nice on borders, and so I got those too. And so I wanted to share with you guys my haul. The first thing I got was 4 blackberry plants, and these are the Apache thornless, I think that's how you say that, and I got 4 of these. Usually every year when the gardening centers or Walmart comes out with the blackberries and the blueberries and the raspberries, I get some of these, like maybe a couple, and I grow them in containers until I'm ready to transplant them. Last time I got these, they did in my old urban garden, they did really well for me, and I was able to get blackberries off of them until something came and ate the roots and it died. I also was able to get grapes one year from there when I had my old garden, and they grew so much grapes and so much vines. But I'm going to start over here in the cut garden section. I got this lily bold mix. Thought that would be really pretty. I also got this lily purple dream. I did get 2 packs of this dahlia. It says Moto. I got 2 dahlia, what is that, Kelvin floodlight. So yellow pretty dahlia. And it says large blooms, excellent cut flowers on these. I did get this color dahlia too. This is Duet. Really pretty. I bought some Hollyhocks, the mix. I am growing Hollyhocks from seed. I have the dark, it looks almost black ones that I'm going to be starting from seed, but they won't bloom until the 2nd year. So I am planting these. These have grown 1 year, so they will bloom for me this year. I bought 2 packs of Liatris, and it also says it's deer resistant, which is awesome, because I'm really just trying not to give the deer a reason to come in my garden this year. Of course, we know hungry deer will still, if there's nothing, that they would still come and eat my garden. But there's lots of woods around here, so I'm hoping to prevent that. I also got Iris Bearded. I got this pinkish one, and I got this blue one, which is really pretty. I did get some Gladiolus. This espresso one is so pretty. It's like a really dark colored one. And then I got this Princess Margaret Rose. That's really pretty as well. I did get some Bleeding Heart, some pink ones. I got another iris. This is a purple color one. And then I got this white lily. I have some fall planted lily bulbs that I planted in my garden, but yesterday I realized that my dog dug up some and ate them. So I don't know how much I have left, but I did plant maybe already 25 to 30 lily bulbs in my garden already. I did get this spiky looking one. It did say it was good for cut flower and it was deer resistant, and I just thought that was really pretty. And yeah, so that was all that I got for cut flower. But then I also got some that are not cut flower, just that were really pretty. Actually, this Gladiolus was over here, but that's a purple flora. That is a cut flower one. But I did get 2 clematis, which are not cut flowers, but they're vining, and I just thought that that would look really pretty all over my garden. So I'm going to plant this along the fence. And then I did get begonias. So I got this And it says it's really good for containers, because I do have some containers that I want to plant and put them in front of my house. This is like a pink and white one. And then I got these yellow begonias. I have day lilies. This color, which is like a red and a yellow. And then I got this one, which is like a pink and white. I also got this tiger lily because my daughter was with me and she just thought it was really cool. And that also says it's really great for containers. I got this one because it said it was deer resistant and great for borders, and it just looked really pretty. I did get another daylily, frosted vintage ruffles. And then this one says excellent blooms. Oh, this one is actually a cut flower, and it's a mix, and it comes with 20. So that is everything I got from Walmart. I am really excited to get to plant these. I would probably plant them tomorrow. Today was raining really bad, and so there's lots of sitting water, not in my garden area but around it. And so I would probably just wait till tomorrow where there's no more rain and the weather gets a little warmer. I will also up pot these now that I have them home. I'll soak them and up pot them. I've always had a good success rate with these growing and not dying on me, so that's really nice, especially if you get them early in the season where they haven't had a chance to dry out. I'm really excited about these. I may even go back and get more because I really like blackberries. That's probably my favorite berry out of all the berries, I would say. Strawberries could be number one if you get them when they're really ripe, but I really do like blackberries, so I may go back and get more. But that was everything. I will take you guys along when I plant all of these bulbs out. I also have some daffodils out in my refrigerator that's been sitting in there. I think I had over 400 daffodils, and I planted most of them out, but I think I still have maybe about 50 to 100 daffodils that I need to plant out. And so I would just plant them when I do all of these. They've been sitting in my refrigerator, so they should just be fine when I put them in the ground to grow. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.